In this video, I'll show you how to attract potential students with an introduction video under 60 seconds for remote teaching. Here's what I've done. Most English lessons teach you how to study English. I teach you how to live and think in English. Hi, I'm Christine. Learning with me is like hanging out with a friend. You relax, you converse, and you naturally pick up English and start to think in English. I don't just teach you English grammar and vocabulary. I help you understand how English works, how people think, and how to express yourself confidently. I'm a university certified English teacher with a master's degree in translating and interpreting, a 10A certificate, and a TOEFL IBT score of 111. So you know you're in good hands. You get accuracy, clarity, and fluency. If you want to build not only strong English, but an English mindset and even lifestyle, then book a class with me. And let's start having fun and speaking naturally. See you in class.